Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sonder at Sora. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Sonder at Sora, located in the center of Minneapolis, Sonder at Sora is close to sites such as TCF Bank Stadium, Target Field and Minnesota Orchestra. Complimentary Wi-Fi is provided and private parking is available on site. Accommodations are fitted with air conditioning, a fully equipped kitchen with a dining area, a flat-screen TV and a private bathroom with bath or shower, free toiletries and a hairdryer. A fridge, an oven and dishwasher are also featured, as well as a coffee machine and an electric teapot. TCF Bank Stadium is 3.5 miles from the condo hotel, while Lake Harriet is 4.9 miles away. The nearest airport is Minneapolis-Saint Paul International Airport, 9.3 miles from Sonder at Sora. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.